welcome from irishOlogy. Today we're going to the Sligo Air.
And today weather is very lovely, no sign of rain and cloud sun shining.
And very sun shining.
So today is Sligo Air Show at Sligo Airport in Sligo. I think this is the first time in Sligo. You can see the Belfort view from here. Today is Sunday, so therefore it's not much traffic. Welcome to Strand Hill. You can see the Strand Hill beach with us. So today's Strand Hill looks like it's very busy with too much traffic. So, but no need to worry because we already reserved the parking. So we are going towards the parking.
Maybe there's a lot.
What a nice tree. We came early. The air show will start at 1:30. So is at the moment is 10 to 1.
Oh my god, we're so early.
So
Already
here you can see the view of the beach. It looks very nice. Today is 6th of August. The last few weeks were very rainy, cold. But thanks God. Today's weather very nice, yeah.
Today looks like
Very
summer.
nice. But let's see how much time it will take to get to the parking.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Very nice.
3, 5, 4, 5. Oh my god.
Finally, we are on the Sligo Airport Road. Right. The cards are here. That's good sign. Yes, we are nearly there, yeah. But still it's a long queue. I think after that we have to park the car, yeah. And from the sunroof, you can see aeroplane. Yeah, we'll give you the close view there. It looks very nice. Sky is very clear.
I don't know what's the country airplane again?
It's a local Sligo aeroplane. It's going to land on the Sligo airport. We entered after scanning the ticket. That's a good idea. Park the car behind and then come by walk. No problem. Next time we'll park it, yeah? But hopefully get a car. Wait. got a nice place for parking. Yeah.
Can you do something? Yeah. Can you do something? Oh my God.
What happens and in what sequence? Show Sligo is no strange place for you.
I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place. No words you speak.
Just earlier, who had basically gelled it all together in a very short period of time. So at this stage, if you look to the runway, we'll see the Big Jerk 18 aircraft we talked about doing this called a low fly past. Wheels are up, flaps are up, and he'll wave his wings if you wave back. Shay, thank you. That's a great show ahead for us. As you say, once 2 o'clock kicks off, it's act after act, event after event, and it's going to be real busy. See, just as I went to talk to him, just a few years after the Wright brothers made the very first successful plane flight. It took place in Paris in France, and pilots from all around the world came to show off their flying skills and their airplanes. Thousands of people came to watch, amazed by the incredible sights of humans flying. And that's very much what you're going to see very soon as we're about to kick off, because we're going to keep our eyes peeled for an aircraft arriving overhead with parachutists from the Irish Parachute Club. He's also a wingsuit distance world record holder. The wingsuit is a special suit the parachutists wear that gives them almost aerodynamic ability so they can fly in free fall before they open their parachutes. Parachutists can actually hear you as well, folks, so don't be afraid to give them a big cheer. Also in the sky is Andy Hughes from Longford, the blue, white and green parachute.
I wish I scored.
1,900 jumps, also a tandem master and deputy club instructor. Excellent, welcome to Sligo. 2 more to go. Hovering up high is Brian McKee from Liverpool, 3,000 jumps, dark blue and green parachute. Also another tandem master and jump master. And actually the parachute that I misidentified is actually Jean Clark. Jean Clark is from Tullamore. She's actually flying the white, red and purple parachute. 1,050 jumps and coming around in an approach. And parachute is final touchdown now, coming in from the east. How about that? Having hit the land and stay standing. Sorry, I just wanted the viewing public to move down towards the end here, down to the end of the runway. Disable view there up the end there. You're blocking it, you're restricting the disability persons from viewing the actual show. So if you look to the sky, to the flight line, the smoke is on from the 2 wing walkers this afternoon. Our crew, the pilots, Dave Barrell and Mike Denneth, with Emma and Kirsten on the wings this afternoon. Girls are strapped to the wing of the aircraft, but free to move in aerobatic manoeuvres. The smoke you see here this afternoon is very environmentally friendly, in case you're wondering. It's actually a very special mixture of something like baby oil. It's extremely fine. Get the cameras ready, here they go! So both aircraft turning around, and they're going to fly towards each other. Meanwhile, on the wing, the girls will be doing punches and kicks. Here they come. Look left and look right. Smoke on. You go. No, you go. No, it's you. You go first. Hey, there you go. That's how to do it. Where's the side waving? Smoke on. Extra fun. Here they come now, down the flight line. Remember, this point, very soon, the girls are going to be doing handstands, but the aeroplanes are going to be rolling upside down. Here we go. Smoke on. Picking up speed in a dive. Pulling up into the roll. Back in the cockpit, and they are planning to give you away. Oh no, they're still on the range. They haven't climbed down yet.